So I saw this comment the other day and it was posted a year ago. Coincidence? I think not. The product junkie in me was like, wait a minute. She spoke so highly of this combination that I'm like, I must try it. Inconveniently though, I'm fresh out of Uncle Funky's. So let's go to the store.
The store is closing in 9 minutes, so please bring all your belongings to the front.
Mission accomplished. Oh, hey girl. I didn't see you here. It's been a little bit since we last talked, and yes, I am with child. And I need to take out my hair. My scalp is on fire. It's kind of ironic because when I had my mini twist, I had them in for maybe 3 weeks and my scalp was getting a little flaky, but it wasn't bad. But having these braids in, my god. But it's the first time that I haven't put water in my hair for that long. I don't like it, so I'm very excited to actually do my hair. And I can hear my husband coming home. Oh, let me go give him his baby. All right, so now I'm child free. Let's take down his hair. As you know, I have a little help in the back. You did watch my last video, right? If you didn't, I forgive you. I will link it over here and down below. So there it is. So this is, wait, do I have more help? Even I can tell y'all. Now this is my hair. All right, that looks more familiar. I am so excited to wash my hair today, and I'm actually very excited to use the products because you guys recommended it. And if I don't like it, I'm coming back for whoever left that comment. I have high hopes. I actually shared it in my Instagram stories and someone said they like that combo as well. So very popular in these streets. I don't know how long postpartum shedding takes to kick in, but I am impatiently waiting or anxiously waiting. I feel like it's gonna happen at some point, but when? When is it gonna happen? Okay, I'm mentally prepared. My hair has grown so much though. Okay, hair growth. I've put off wash day long enough. It's time to finally wash. But I was really feeling the fro. Low-key, I didn't want to wash, but we hop in the shower and let the water do its magic. A lot of people usually ask me, how do you prevent knots, tangles when you wear your hair in the stricken state? And my secret is water. I take my time when I hop in the shower. I don't just hop in there, put shampoo in my hair. No, girl. I finger detangle. I let the water do its thing. And as you can see, your girl is shedding. Postpartum shedding is here. Said I was mentally prepared, but I really don't know. Low-key, I want to go buy some oils, but it's hormonal and I just have to make it through. The sad thing is I feel like it's happening mainly in the front of my hair. So I'm just going to tighten up on nutrition, make sure I'm eating the right thing just to help balance out my hormones. What else can I do? Anyway, so we went and washed our hair and I really took my time washing it. I gave my hair and my scalp 2 good scrub and then we went ahead and conditioned my hair. Yes, I still have the old bottle of AG Boost, but do hair products really expire? I mean, I'll be the judge of that. Detangling actually wasn't bad. It wasn't hard to actually detangle my hair, but I had a lot of shedding, okay? Postpartum shedding is here and there is nothing that I can really do other than kind of wait it out. And I know it's shedding versus breakage because long strands of hair is coming out with the bulb at the end. And I mean, I haven't been shedding for the past 10 or so months, so I can't really complain. For Uncle Funky, we already know how to do this. You gotta get the good water product ratio down. Sometimes I still feel like I don't know what I'm doing, but I just add more water when I'm in doubt. Let's go where So I had to take a long break because I was on mommy duties. I had to feed my daughter, put her down, and now here we are. It's so late. It's not that late. It's 10 o'clock, but I'm kind of regretting this. Aunt Jackie though, haven't used this before, but we're really excited. Smells good. Definitely a gel. What are the instructions actually? It says it has marshmallow roots and almond oil. This recipe hydrates, soften, and make waves, curls, and coils more manageable. Other added benefits include helping to diminish shrinkage, minimize frizz, and reduce the need for multiple styling products. Okay. It's the ultimate hydrating curl therapy is what it says. Excellent for hair type 2C to 4C. Not that the hair typing chart exists though. I don't see instructions on here. Oh, directions, there it is. Use daily or as needed. Work best when used on clean, wet, or damp hair. For wash and goes, apply throughout sections of freshly shampooed, conditioned hair, raking through hair with fingers, then finger styling hair into place. air dry or use a diffuser. All right, let's get this started. I feel like my hair is already dry under this now. A lot of the water is on my towel now. Let's just get a section back here. Oh no, it's still wet. I forgot how messy the wash and go can be. Water's already falling all over the place. Ooh, my hair feels really soft with this. So I'm gonna keep going. And the reason why I am using the brush is because I feel like my ends are pretty tangly. I don't know if that has something to do with postpartum shedding. We're gonna start blaming everything on postpartum shedding now. Trying to save more hairs coming out. I just want to kind of quickly detangle the ends before trying to rake my fingers through. But I love it. Once I put that gel in, it just makes my hair feels very soft. Oh, I think this is gonna turn out really pretty. Anyways, let me keep working and I'll be back to show you the front. I forgot how much work the wash and go was. Okay, I already did. We've done a quarter of... Why does this look like this? We've done a quarter of our head. Okay, I'll show you. It's giving me body, it's giving me movement. I really like this gel, y'all. But now let's move on to the other side. Oh my God, I forgot how much work this was. I'm tired, I want to go to bed. And for some reason, my hair is so tangly with the Uncle Funky. I don't know what happened. I remember the Uncle Funky doing that, but today's like exceptionally bad. I don't know if it's because I need a trim. Like the very ends, I have to re-detangle it. It's so tangly. The gel really gets it together. This gel is really nice. Oh, it has good slip. I'm very curious to see how it dries. Oh my God! So much of my hair is coming out. And it's mainly in the front is what I'm noticing. Oh no! Don't freak out, Jen. It's okay. You've been running on borrowed hair this entire time. You knew this. You knew this was coming. Alright, so here we are a few days later. I didn't do anything to my hair. I took off my scarf, showered, and it looks like this. I kind of feel like taking the Dyson to it just to be a little extra. Just for you. I would love to get some volume right there. But I don't know if it's worth it. I'm about to leave the house, and do I want to be late where I'm going because I want to have a little volume right here? I don't know. Anyway, let me give you an up close. My hair feels really nice. It's not greasy, obviously. It has this moisture to it, this hydration to it that I love, which is why I do these wash and goes, because otherwise, why would anybody spend so much time doing these wash and goes if it wasn't worth it? You know what I'm saying? They're a lot of work. I almost forgot how much work they are. This is what it looks like. Oh, and also the shape, isn't the shape? This is the back. And I kind of feel like I could just, you know, shape it with my fingers. Like over here is a little flattened where I go to sleep. So let's just do that. Where's my Dyson? I'm gonna do it. I know I said I wasn't going to. You see that? Literally one little pass filled up this area a little bit more. Let's keep going. Okay, so I can't even see the back, so I hope I'm not messing it up. But you see the movement I have? It looks so cute. Here it is up close and personal. You can't tell me I look good, girl. I know I do. It's giving me grown and sexy. And I always say this, do yourself a favor, give yourself a shape. You don't have to cut your hair short. Just give yourself a shape. Your twist out will look better, wash and go will look better, bend knot will look better. Your hair in general will look so much better if you just give it a shape. I know we love length, you know, a tapered look like this. It's so worth it. Your hair just falls beautifully, naturally, if you give it a little shape. Anyway. Thank you to, I don't remember her name. Thank you to, I will put her name for recommending these products. If you have a holy grail, you have some good product recommendations, drop it in the comment below. Don't gatekeep. I may do a video about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.